So now we're in PixellLab. The first thing I did was change this image size to 1280 by 720 because that was what I needed it for, a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So I'll delete this, I don't need it. I already have my background, I downloaded it online, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can also get yours, or if you want to use this one you can use it as well if you want. So I'll select this and then let's go to our size. Okay, so I want to stretch this out, and still maintaining our aspect ratio. I just want to bring it down a little bit. Okay, it's looking good like that. Then I want to lock this. So after that, I created my shape design. You know, in PixellLab you are limited in terms of shape, so I had to combine two together. So first of all, I created a circle and I changed the color to red. Okay, this is okay. Then let's reduce the size. Let's bring it back out to here. Let's make it okay. This is okay. So I want to go to position. All right, this is good. Okay, I'll save that. Then I'll lock this up as well. I don't want to tamper with it. Then I'll go to shapes again, and this time around I'll use a rectangle or square. I'll use this square. Okay, you want to make sure that they have the same size because you don't want people to notice that you're joining two shapes together. Okay, that is done. The next thing you want to do is you want to create another shape, which we are going to put down here, and we want to make it look somehow like, let's make it smaller. Okay, something like this. Let's bring this here, and we want to change the color to red. That is that. Okay, let's unlock this. I want to move it a little bit here. Alright, let's give this place a more space. Okay, now I can lock both of them. So the next thing we want to do is we want to create a new shape. This time around we're going for the circle, color red. Okay, and we want to reduce the size. Yes, something like that is okay. And I want to just go into my position. Okay, and we want to bring this down a little bit. Okay, after that let's copy this because we'll be needing 3. And it's all looking good like that. Let's just lock everything together. In fact, let's merge them. And now we can lock it. So now let's go on and import our icons and logos and everything. First of all, So this next one I want to use is actually a barcode. So let's say you print out your business card. It would be more easier to get connected to you just by scanning your barcode, and it will take them directly to your WhatsApp. So this is quite lovely. You can get it by going to your WhatsApp profile. You see your barcode smiling at you. So depending on where you generated it from, let's say I generated this one now from Facebook, it is going to take me directly to Facebook if anybody should scan my barcode. And no matter the size, it is still going to work. So that is cool. Let's leave that like that. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to write out my name and the contact and everything else. It is very simple. So first of all, I'll create a grid because I don't want to mess around with everything. I want the grid to be straight. So I'll set this up. So I'll use 5 by 1. Okay, so that means my text are starting from this line. So let me write out my text. So as you can see, it's as simple as this is how you can create your business card. And now let's save this and move to the back. Let's save it. Now let's move to the back. It's nothing big. Let's just hide. Okay, let me delete all those ones because we don't need them. I'll leave this one. I'll delete this. I'll delete this. I'll leave this. I'll delete this, and I'll delete this. Okay, so this is what we are left with, and this is just as simple as this. Let's make it bigger. All right, and I want to write something. And I want to change the color to black. Let's change the color first of all because I want to change this font, so we'll be able to see exactly what we are doing. All right, so I'll use this one. This is what we are going to do. Let's create another text, and this would be the last one. And we want to change the color again. We want to change it to black. And obviously we'll change the font. Okay, this is nice. The only thing I would want to change is the size. Yep, and now we are done. This is how you can create your own business card, simple and easy, without paying a dime. And in fact, you can even do this for people and they will pay you in return. That will bring us to the end of this video. Let's keep the subscribers coming. If you love what I do and if you enjoy every of my tutorial, make sure you share to your friends, tell them about this channel. We still need more people and I know we can do it. Thank you for watching once again. Until next time I come your way, peace out.